Hello everyone, welcome back. This is where we stopped in the last lesson. In this lesson, we are going to do some chat between mom and her son. Between the mom and her son. Between Teresa, who is the mom, and Matthew, who is the son. So this is what is going to go between them. The mom will ask and the son will answer. So first, you have the mom here. Let's see what the mom will say. So before you can type anything or make a character or an actor to speak, go to the bottom. There is icons 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 icons beneath your screen down, the last thing. So the second one is one you are going to use. So tap on it. When you tap on it, it will ask you will see no actor. It means it is asking you who do you want to speak. So tap on it and choose Teresa. Teresa is the mom. So what do you want Teresa to say? You can type it. Let me type it. You can type. Teresa she said, "Hey son, did you receive your degree?" So put commander. Did you receive your degree? Okay. So put the question mark there. So let's listen to what the mom will say. Okay, here, start.
Hey son, did receive your degree yet?
Okay, you see, she talked and then. So here, if you look at her here, you can look at her, you can change her look, but we are not going to do that now. Okay, now let's go. You can also do something amazing. So you can delete that conversation and rather say it. Okay, let me do that one. Let me delete it, tap on it, and delete it. Because sometimes the machine speaking is very fast. So let me do it. Let me show you. Go back to the icon, tap on it, and choose the icon, the actor, I mean. So now there is a microphone on your right side. You can see it where it is Teresa neutral. You see the microphone. So tap on it. Let me tap on it. And you see this icon, the green, the red, and the green. So tap on the red and speak. You see start recording. So, hey son, did you receive your degree yet? You pause it. Okay. And tap on the last one. So now let's listen to it. Go back and tap on the first scene. If you want to listen, you go to the first scene, you tap on it. In our case here is teenage bedroom. Okay. Click on the play, start the recording. So say, hey son, did you receive your degree yet? Can you hear what she said? Start recording. So, hey son, okay, did you receive your degree yet? Now, let's let the machine say it because I'm a man and she's a lady. So let machine speak. Choose the icon, go to Teresa. She said, hey son, comma, did you receive your degree yet? Okay, done. Okay, now let's go back and let's listen to it.
Hey, did you receive your degree yet?
Okay. Now What will Matthew say? Select Matthew. And what is Matthew saying? Matthew said, "Yes, mom. Yes, mom. Mom." Okay. So I'll leave all this conversation here. So whenever you want to practice, you can just copy and paste whenever you want. So, and why do you ask? He said, "Why do you ask? Why do you ask?" Okay. Now let's go back to the first scene, which is bedroom, and click
Yes, Mum. Why do you ask?
Hey, did you receive your degree yet?
on it. So here you can see there is a small discrepancies. Matthew is talking before his mom. So click on Matthew and go to the three dot on the right corner, and you can see this arrow. This is three arrow. There is top, there is down, and there is close. So now we want Matthew's speech to go beneath his mother's speech. So now you can see it is done. You can see now the mother's own is top. Okay.
Yes,
Now let's play
Mum.
and see.
Why do you ask? Yes, Mum.
Go.
Why do you ask?
Whenever you want to play, go to the scene, which here is teenage bedroom. Click on it and go.
Hey, did
So,
you receive
see,
your
the
degree
mom
yet?
is
Yes,
speaking first,
Mum. Why do you ask?
and the child speak after. So you can see their actions. You can see how they are doing. So whenever you want to a character to speak, there is something here. Let me click on Teresa here. You can see there is something here called neutral. Okay, here we have a bunch of actions the person or the character will be doing while speaking. So you can see the first one, we have neutral here. Let me you go through it and change it one after the other, so you can know whatever they say. You can say the first one is accusing. Okay, let me show you how accusing it is. You'll see how
Hey,
she will do.
did you receive your degree yet?
Yes,
see?
Mum.
You can
Why
see.
do you ask?
Okay, it means you can change it. Look at his. Okay, go through it and choose the one that fits the moment. The one that fits the moment. So in this case, happy will be good. So okay, go.
Hey, did you receive your degree
You
yet?
can see.
Yes, Mum. Why do you ask?
So this is how it is. Okay, choose Matthew and do the same changes. You can see shy. Okay, so here, go back, play it.
Hey, did you receive your degree yet?
Yes,
Yes,
Mum.
he's
Why do
shy.
you ask?
Okay, so this is how you build a scene. This is how you do it one after the other. I have all the conversation here. I'll play it one after the other. I'll do it, I'll add it, I'll add it one after the other. So to cut the story short, let me add only one conversation, and after that we move to the next lesson. So now, who is going to talk? Let's see. The mom. Okay, Teresa. Mom, she said, son, now, he said, now that you have completed your graduation, comma, I hope you have planned something. To choose as a career. Okay, let's stop here. Next time I'll copy and paste. So this is how it is. So you can see, let's go back. Teresa, Matthew, this one, take it down. Take this one down after Matthew. Okay. So now you can see we have Teresa, we have Matthew, and we have Teresa again. Okay, let's go to our first scene.
Hey, did you receive your degree yet?
Yes, Mum. Why do you ask?
Son, now that you have completed your graduation, I hope you have planned something to choose as a career.
Okay, so see you in the next lesson where we will continue this. And in that lesson, I will be copying and pasting, so it won't be long like this one. So see you in the next lesson.